show that A star B star whole star is equal to A plus B whole star. So just now last rule we have seen. Okay, so this we want to prove. Now how you will prove it? So the solution for this is, very first we will nominate these regular expressions. So let R1 is equal to A star B star whole star and R2 is equal to A plus B whole star. Now whenever there is a show that means it is proved, it is verified that these two are equivalent, but we have to now prove it, we have to show it. Okay, so how we will show it? So here one by one we will try to express these regular expression languages. Okay, so here what will be your, so let then LR1 is equal to, what will be the LR1? Will it be like this? Since there is a star, so I need to have a star, and then there is a star dot B star. Okay, so A star dot B star will be what? It will be empty A dot dot. Will it be the language for the A star? So this is for A star. Now there is a B star. So for B star again we will be having empty string B dot, like this. So this will be our B star, right? Now we need to do the iteration for this set, this combination, right? So here what will be the iteration? Now I need to concatenate every string from this set with the every string in this set. So if we consider very first, here it is the empty string, here also empty string. So when empty string dot empty string, you will be getting empty, right? Next, this empty will be concatenated by B, or in other sense, if we are concatenating this with this, then can I say I will get A. Then when I concatenate it with B, then I will get B. Similarly, I will get concatenation of this empty string with AB will be, or all this will be same thing. So it will be having AB, all these strings will be as it is, as it will be concatenated with empty string. So later, if I am concatenating this A with this, so A is concatenated with empty string, A is concatenated with B. Can I say like this? So all these strings AA, BB, AB, BA, AAB, BAA, any combination of A and B, all will be the part of this set, this star. They can come in any sequence, okay, any number of times. So that is represented by this star. So what I have done, I have concatenated those two sets and I have iterated them. That's why it will also be a what? The infinite set. Now next is, we want to represent language which is represented by R2, this one. So here it was A star dot B star whole star, right? Now here it is A plus B whole star. What this means? A plus B whole star, we have already seen earlier. A plus B whole star, that means since star is there, we need to keep empty string as a first string. Later we need to take either A or B. Okay, since there is a star, That's why this empty has come. If there is no star, that means only A comma B. Just recall all this earlier discussion. Now, since it is star, so from this bracket A can come out or B can come out, or, okay, and we don't know in what sequence A will be come out and B will be come out. So again we will be having the set. So we were discussing this particular problem. So what will be the language generated by the regular expression R1? We have already discussed. Language generated by language R2 will be, so what is our regular expression? A plus B whole star. So this means either A or B will come, and then any combination of A, B will be in this regular set. So finally we will get this particular set for regular expression 2. Okay, now if we will compare these two languages, we can observe that there is a same language generated by this expression as well as this expression. Since both expressions are generating same language, we can say that A star dot B star whole star is equal to A plus B whole star. Okay, and then you have to try for the examples. This one, A plus B whole star is equal to this, and you have to prove or disprove R plus S whole star is equal to R star plus S star.